Hey guys, it's Randy, and today I'm going to show you why you do not want to use a Wix website if you want to rank better in Google. You probably have heard people say if you want to rank better in Google, you should use WordPress. We always say that. In fact, we say Google loves WordPress, which who knows if Google really does, but WordPress websites work really well in Google. And you've probably heard people say don't use Wix. But if you haven't, I wanted to show you today why you shouldn't use Wix to do your website if you want it to rank better in Google. Okay, so I've got a website here. This is Island Times Charters. It is a really good website as far as like it's well laid out. I love the pictures on it. It's got a really cool moving background. It's not a bad looking website whatsoever. But look, it even has some content and stuff. But what I did was clicked on the three dots and then I did a save page as. So I did that for this website, which is done in Wix. And then I have our website over here. It's got the pictures at the top, just like the other website. We have a little more content because we've been optimizing our page, our site for Google so people can find it better, and we've been working on making our content more engaging and all that stuff. But so we have a little more content, obviously. This site we just took over doesn't really have any, has a little bit of content. We'll be adding more to it, but it's a really good looking site. But I did a three dot and then save as HTML. I did that for both pages. Saved it to my desktop. And I've opened up both of them already in Text Wrangler, and I just wanted to show you real quick. So here is the one at the top here. This is the Island Time Charters, and if you scroll down, let me start at the top. If you scroll down, you're going to find basically all I can find is the title of the page right here: St. Thomas, St. John Luxury Boat Rental, Island Time Charter. Keep on scrolling. Here's a little more. There is a site name right there. It's the same thing. And then starts hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of lines. I probably over-exaggerated a little bit, but a crap ton of lines that just deal with, it's just machine code. And it's something that, it's all fine and great, and it works, and it makes a beautiful site, but there's nothing in there that can be readable, that's readable by Google for the most part. I mean, yeah, there's obviously links to other things and all that, but it just goes on and on and on and on, and I couldn't find any content that was worth anything to Google. Other than, and there may be a little bit here and there, but other than the title. I didn't take a long time to do it, but other than the title. Now check this out. Here's our website, and this is done in WordPress. And there's a reason why Google loves WordPress, because if you start scrolling down here and look and see what WordPress has, you're going to start seeing all kinds of stuff down here. I'm laughing because of the dog anyway. So scroll on down, and here we go. We've got text from all of our paragraphs, our H3 tags. Here's an H3 tag. Here's an H1 tag. Here's some more text right there. That's paragraph right there. More text, and all of this stuff is readable by Google. And it's all searchable in Google's index. In fact, if you want to pick out some of these phrases and search like repair techs are the best of the best, and then do site:mytechrescue.com, it's going to bring up this page because there is content in here that is readable by Google. Yeah, there's a lot of the other stuff and a lot of links to the JSON libraries and and all that kind of crap. But the bottom line is there is content on a WordPress site. There's content that is readable and indexable by Google. And on this particular Wix site, there's absolutely none. Now, Wix may have a few bells and whistles that you can pay for to get more content that Google can see. I was looking at the page, the HTML over here in developer tools. I was looking at the HTML for this, and it basically says that everything is basically loaded on the server side. It's actually a variable. I don't know if I can get it to come back up. Yeah, right here, variable client side render equals false, which means that everything loads over on the server, which means that it's hidden from Google. So bottom line, guys, is don't do a website in Wix if you want it to rank well in Google. You need to either write it by hand in HTML or you need to use WordPress. All right, if you guys have any questions or comments, just put them down below this video. Also, I'll link to both of these websites so you can check them out for themselves. We're about to switch Island Time Charters over to WordPress. You can actually go in probably in a week or two and see what kind of difference it makes. If you like our videos, don't hesitate to subscribe, like this video, or click on the bell to get notifications when we publish new stuff. Thanks a lot, guys. Y'all have a great day. We'll talk to you later.